When you come home? What time you come home? Alright, more you hurry up and reach because we have to go over bubbles. Alright, babe. I can't go leave. You have to wait until you come. Because work man them is too late. Yeah. You know how to get over that? It's a sports now. No, I already win, so you have to get over that. I know you're vex, but I just say it go as sports. Yeah.
Yes, sir. The next move is in 2 days. Yeah. And I may need you to pull Celine from the call center. Okay.
Hey, that beats.
But just did I go ask if you can stand up outside and talk. How you feel?
Tired.
You're most tired after all of that the work the way you put on.
Why? I can't only take on this once a year. None of the 3 more things that are working.
Yo, you hear that food that bad? And every week if you do it, you know.
But are you wicked to me? Yeah, come on the house, come help me.
Ask him again.
Every week?
Yeah man, a simple thing man, just make sure say food there, huh?
You say true and you would do it? If I did you know, you'd understand you wouldn't make that hard day.
Because him just big and love him belly. But me not lie to you, I'm so proud of you. I'm proud of your body. Worse with the support where you get. Not to mention, me have to talk, sorry. The food, shot. It's bad. What's happening next?
I carry him friend named Oliver. Them call him Super Bigs. Him food them bad man.
So me ask you so. Super for them all Kareem friend them name. Alright, a super team.
You know what I love? The agency people them turn out for you know. How much food them order?
21. I'ma feel like say some agency people did there. I wanna know them at the after party.
That don't surprise me, you know. Remember say Mr. Mullins I could know everybody. But everybody know we.
You know how Pops they already.
But that not unfair. Them know we, I wanna know them.
You have to remember say a levels to this thing. You have super agents, you have nightmares. And them only come out once in a blue moon and we not gonna know.
The super agents are the ones who back we up. We're not gonna know all of them.
Well, as long as them depend on our side.
That's the most important part.
Bubbles, more and thank you for the help. Me alone could have pulled that off and carry most of them on the road I deliver. So more and thank you.
Tony, you not have to say thanks. Remember we are family. You keep something like that. No say me I got did it from start to finish. Head cook and buckle washer.
Yeah.
And one team. Always remember that. We did it for support. True and true.
Alright. I have something to tell you, but can't tell you the others.
Alright, so come on, go inside. Cause out here really hot, so go get a drink. And...
Tell them
Yeah.
there, sit down and me a sweet.
But she look like she enjoy herself for the party though.
Yeah, she enjoy herself, but not with me.
Oh, what? Me not talk.
She still at time you because of me said to her.
Oh boy. Like when she pregnant now, she worse miserable.
Boy, it's hard for you because the other night she bought for her baby, so she feel pain and I'm going to rub it and she said she don't want me to touch her. Me want me there one.
Patsy was in a very festive mood the other night.
Me just said to him, but him tell me say man not talk.
Why? What happened?
The same thing. So me tell you no I go on. All one day when Destiny I tell her about the winnings, me say something and Stitch no want you know from me.
Oh, sure. That's so it go. When the hormones kick in. No worry, she's soon past that stage. Oh, me left the open now. Come, bring it out and open. Alright, so, young lady. Thank you. You say you want to talk to me. What's up?
Mr. Mullins come see me the night before the cookout.
So hold on, Carrie never did it?
Mm-hmm.
When come as this time?
The same health inspector something.
So Scott, him not get a rest. You see, anytime him find a character him like, look here, him just milk it.
So, what him do now?
But think Mr. Mullins likes when Karim act fool. Karim nearly going on one panic attack.
I'm afraid for ask. What him do?
Well, sir asks Karim permit for cookout, permit for entertainment, and him tell Karim say man go for him thermometer to check the temperature of the meat.
Yo, the general are easy.
Him do all of that and tell Karim say him come support the cookout.